Today's Tuesday, 17th. Uh, Here we are with the job progress report again. This week we did carpets. This is the commercial carpet that you guys requested. You can see the two different colors from the other one. Still looks okay. Here's the first floor. Okay. The bathroom is semi-completed. Tile is done. Fixtures are in. We're going to the kitchen. Cabinets are in, granite is in. We go downstairs to look at the laundry so we can see the water heater. That's the old water heater. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the